Welcome to the Mechatronics Mind, where hardware meets software, powered by curiosity. Let's build something extraordinary.
So hello, today's video is about sending mails through Python. First of all, let me show you. So this is a Gmail and its name is pythonlastyear@gmail.com. So by this, I'm gonna send a mail to this one whose name is the.mechatronics.mind@gmail.com. So I'm gonna use only a Python script to do that. Okay, so first of all, open an IDE you like. Okay, so first important library, that's smtplib, and smtp is simple mail transfer protocol. Okay. And through smtp computers used to send mails. Okay, so then I'll need to create some variables. One is sender. My name, I say already that's Python password. Then I'll need to indicate the receiver too, and that was the let's just add some context. Now let's send the mail. Okay, so first of all, I will need to use try because it can be a failure too. So I'll need to communicate with the server. Okay, every mail has a server. So and every mail services uses different types of servers. So as I'm using Google Mail means Gmail, so I'll need to use smtp.gmail.com, and it has a port number of 587. And for other mail services, this domain name is different and the port number is also different. Okay. Now I'll need to start the TLS service. Start TLS. Basically, TLS is transport layer security. This is just for encryption, nothing else. And now I will need to log into the server. Server.login. I have my password. Yes. Wait. First of all, I have sender variable and then password variable. Okay, it's done. Server.login. Now I'll need to send the mail. Hello, from address to address, message, mail option. Okay, the sender is sender variable, and then I have receiver. Okay, the receiver variable, and then I will need to add the message block. Okay, this one. Okay, so it's done. As I already have connected to this mail service, so I'll need to quit it to it. So server.quit. So if it's done, then print email sent successfully. It couldn't be sent, then write except shown as E, and then hit add. So now let's try. Before trying, I'll need to add my password. Okay. So for password, there is something you will have to do. First of all, open the browser. Okay. I already said I'm gonna send mail from this service. Okay. So go to manage account. And then write a password. Then you need to log in. After login, you have this web browser. So just write mail. Okay? You already said I already did this. Just write mail and you will have a password. Okay. So you got the password, just copy it. Let's say done. And then go to your ID and paste it. And here there should be no space. Okay. Now let's try to send the mail. Okay, it said email sent successfully. Okay, let's see if it's really done. Okay, so this was oh. Okay, you can see it's in it's in the mail, and there was test mail from Python. Hello, this is the test email. Subscribe my channel. So it was very simple. Again, you can do it. Okay. Let me show you with time. This one, right? Okay. Now have a look. I again send a mail. It's okay. Good. It's named my what that calls my YouTube channel. Send this one, okay. I said it wrongly. You can see this was number 2. Yeah. Okay, now let's send this one. Email sent successfully. Okay. You can see this is the newest one, and it said yeah. So that's all for today. And with this, you can just create a list of email addresses you want to send mails, and then you can send through this one. So that's all for today. Goodbye.